Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video we will discuss about that how we can save energy. Here you can see the topic, that is saving energy is easy with the help of 9 mantras. Whereas in this video we will talking about the 9 mantras which will help us to save energy. Let's find out. Our first method is switch off the equipments after use. Whenever we are in home, building or in office, we should use electricity wisely, because doing so we also reduces the wastage of electricity. Like, it is better to prefer fluorescent bulbs, use fans rather than AC when it is less required. Whenever we are going out of rooms, buildings or from office, we should turn off all the lights, fans, ACs, etc. because by doing so we are able to save more energy. Our second method is regular cleaning of AC, filter and use natural lighting. Whereas cleaning or maintenance of any electrical appliances should be done on regular duration, so that the chances of damaging these equipments will decrease. And the most important one is that its energy consumption will also decrease, because when any appliance will not get regular maintenance, then to run that appliance it consumes 15% more energy than the required. We should prefer to use the natural lighting. Our third method is use star rated equipments. Here, star rated equipments are those equipments which consumes less energy and provide high efficient performance. The range of this star is found in between 1 to 5 star, which is devised by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. So we can understand it as, the higher the number of stars on equipments, the more it is energy efficient. Therefore, we can see that the star rated equipments is directly proportional to the power efficient, that is, it consumes less energy. Our fourth method is use of LED study lamp. We should use the LEDs lamp for the study as well as for the other purpose also, but I mostly prefer to use this LEDs lamp for reading, writing, crafting, drawing, etc. During night time, this LED lamp is bright and make my eyes to study comfortably. That's why I also prefer to use this LEDs lamp. I have experienced it. There is no harmful effect on your eyes, and that can be observed by the LEDs lamp, that it can save energy as well as electricity. Our fifth method is monthly cleaning of the refrigerator. According to the research, it is found that we should clean the refrigerator internally on the monthly basis, and its filter also should be replaced twice in the year. By doing such maintenance of refrigerator, we can save more electricity and reduce its energy consumption. The performance of refrigerator is also get enhanced by doing maintenance. Our sixth method is usage of heavy equipments in off-peak hours. Firstly, we should understood about off-peak hours. This is the duration when the usage of power is less as compared to normal usage, that is at night time, whereas during daytime the demand of power is high as compared to normal usage, because it is used by many industries, factories, offices, etc. So we should use the heavy equipments during off-peak hours time, and by doing so we can save more money as well as energy. Our seventh method is avoid leaving the equipments in standby mode. We should not keep the equipment in standby mode because it consumes energy which have no use. That means if we are kept our mobile or any electronic device on charging spots, we should move the charging pin from it after certain time, otherwise it will just consuming energy, or sometime it may damage our devices also. Our eighth method is optimal temperature setting and water usage. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, the temperature for water heating should be not more than 120 degrees Fahrenheit, that is about 49 degrees Celsius, to prevent from scalding, that is overheating of water. Okay, as a result, by doing so we can save more energy and electricity bills. Therefore, we should avoid such condition of burning of water and use hot water when there is a need, otherwise prefer to use cold water. Okay, our one of the most important, that is 9 method, is replace the maximum utilized light with the solar LED. We should use the solar energy, that is our renewable energy, for our daily purpose like cooking food, charging cell phones, lighting bulbs, etc. We should replace all the maximum utilized light with the solar LEDs because it is more efficient, consumes less power and save more energy. It is eco-friendly devices which play crucial role for environment. At last, I would like to say that by following these mantras on the daily basis, we are able to save 1 unit per day in a home. We should spread this awareness to our society and motivate and encourage them to do so. Now you can contribute towards our environment with the save energy and save electricity. Okay, thank you.